Wait for a moment in this video because today I'm going to show you how you can create your own website in just 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't matter whether you know coding or not, because the method I'm going to share today is a 100% no coding method using just your idea and an AI website builder tool.
First of all, visit the Hosting App website. I have also mentioned the link in the description. After coming to the website, choose the business plan and click on the purchase button. Now search for your domain name and click on continue. Then select either the annual or 10-year plan, because with these plans you will get 1 year of domain absolutely free. After that, click on continue and use my promo code to get an instant 10% discount. As soon as you click on the checkout option, you will see the details form. Fill in your correct details and click on complete order. After completing the payment, log in into your account. You will see an interface like this. Here your service will be visible. Now click on the service section, then log in into your cPanel. After logging in, you will see an interface like this. Search for Hosting App website builder and open it. You will see an interface like this. Although ready-made templates are already available here, I will guide you from scratch. Click on the add new option. You will get an interface like this. Now fill in the details according to your website. For example, if you want to create an e-commerce website, select that option. Next, write a brief prompt for your website. You can use the same prompt for your own website as well. For this command website builder, on this video I will send you the prompt. Now click on the get start button, enter your Gmail address and phone numbers, then fill in your address. If you want to connect your social media accounts to your website, you can add those details here as well. Click on continue and tick all options. Click continue again. You will get the options to select images, or you can upload your own banners, posters. Click on continue once more. Now the AI will generate multiple themes for you. Select any theme you like. After selecting the theme, click on import theme content button. It will take a few moments to load and your website will be completely ready. To view your website, click on the view website button and you can see your live website. If you want to make any changes to your website, you can easily do that as well. For this, click on dashboard and the tools will open in front of you. For example, if you want to make any changes to your website, you can easily do that as well. For example, if you want to edit any settings, simply click on that option and you will be redirected to the editor. From here, you can make changes easily. You can also change images using drag and drop.
So today's session ends here. Comment on this video and tell me what type of website tutorial you want in the next video, and I'll definitely create tutorials for you.